Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, Mana, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Metaverse altcoin Decentraland, Mana, launches world's biggest virtual fashion show. Virtual gaming marketplace Decentraland, Mana, is set to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, MVFW, on its platform. Decentraland will host 4 days of virtual runway shows to exhibit artificial intelligence fashion and wearable tech in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by some of the most recognized fashion brands in the world, such as Tommy Hilfiger, Selfridges, Cavalli, Eli Saab, Vogue Arabia, GoPay and others, according to a new press release. Mana's creative director Sam Hamilton says that while fashion isn't new to the metaverse, the demand for stylish digital clothes is booming. Fashion and haute couture are not new to the metaverse. Decentraland has been on the cutting edge of rare and in-demand digital fashions since the launch of Avatar wearables in 2020. Since that time, creators have been pushing both the technical and stylistic limits of Decentraland wearables and have created a booming economy, with over $1 million in sales of Avatar wearables last year. The immersive fashion show will take place in Decentraland's new luxury fashion district and will feature a futuristic-looking catwalk. It will also host pop-up metaverse shops and afterparties. The area's shopping district will surround the virtual runway and is inspired by architecture from Paris's famous Avenue Montaigne, known for its chic clothing stores and decor. The event is slated to run between March 24th to March 27th, according to the press release. Decentraland is exchanging hands at $2.71 at time of writing, a 16% increase from its 7-day low of $2.27. The next news, Mana price analysis. Retest the double top pattern breakout suggests 25% downside risk. The shared support of $2.42 and the 200-day SMA prevented the extending loss in Decentraland, Mana price. On February 24th, the 15% long tail rejection on this support indicates intense demand pressure. The following rally struggles at the immediate resistance of $2.08, suggesting a downturn continuation. The Mana United States dollar technical chart showed a double top pattern in the daily time frame chart. On February 20th, the sellers gave a decisive breakout from the 28-cent neckline, extending the ongoing selling. On the following day, the price retested the breached support, showing higher price rejection on the daily candle. This indicates the support has switched to resistance, and sellers sink the altcoin lower. However, things didn't go as planned, as the buyers immediately rejected the down rally below the $2.43, resulting in a long tail rejection candle. The relative strength INDEX46, slope curving down from the threshold, indicates that buyers need more influence before entering positive territory. The Mana price oscillates between its 50-day and 200-day SMAs. However, the coin price trading above the 200-day SMA maintains a bullish tendency. The Mana buyers bounced back from the $2.42 support and drove the altcoin 15% high to retest the $2.8 mark. The higher price rejection on this resistance is evidence that sellers are defending this level. A bearish reversal from this resistance could slump the altcoin to January low support at $2. However, if buyers push the price above the $2.8 resistance, the traders have a 22% growth opportunity. Resistance level: $2.8 and $3.4 support level: $2.43 and $2.4. In last news on this video, the bulls tried to flip the bias in their favor earlier in February, but failed. Therefore, two scenarios are of interest to long-term buyers: either they can wait for the price to dip into the aforementioned pocket to DCA into spot buys, or they can wait for a flip in market structure to ride to momentum upward. This would require Mana to flip $3.5 to support. On the RSI, the 40 and 60 levels demarcate areas below and above them respectively, where the momentum can be thought to have strengthened in that direction. At the time of writing, the RSI was at 45.23, which was almost neutral. Also notable was its inability to stay above the 60 mark for a significant amount of time since December. The awesome oscillator sank back beneath the zero line, which reflected the bearish momentum since the rejection at $3.29. The price was also trading beneath the 21 SMA and 55 SMA, orange and green respectively. The OBV has been forming higher lows in the past couple of months, which suggested that long-term buyers were indeed present in the background of the daily volatility. Conclusion: it was hard to be bullish on a coin at a time of uncertainty in the markets. MANA showed a bearish market structure, but also presented an area where long-term investors could be interested in buying the coin. Next news: Apple Pay and Google Pay to become unusable with cards from sanctioned Russian banks. Customers of 5 sanctioned Russian banks will be unable to use their cards to pay with Apple Pay and Google Pay, the Central Bank of Russia said. The banks in question include banks under the VTB Group, Sacombank, Novacombank, Promsvyzbank, and Okriti, per the announcement. The banks have all been sanctioned by Western governments following Russia's attack on Ukraine. The announcement added that holders of cards from these banks will be unable to use them outside Russia and when shopping on e-commerce platforms that are registered in the country supporting the sanctions. The central bank stressed that cards and other payments from the sanctioned banks, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years. Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, MANA, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. MANA has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. MANA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price MANA Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of MANA will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. MANA Rate Prediction 2026. MANA will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.